भारतीय राजनीति के कुछ महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्नों। 101 India is called a republic because the head of the state in India president is an elected head for a fixed period. 102 Sovereignty in a democracy rests with the people. 103 The preamble secures justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to all citizens. 104 The preamble of the Constitution indicates the source of the Indian Constitution. 105 It is not the objective enshrined in the preamble secure shelter and proper livelihood to all. 106 The idea of social, economic and political justice has been taken from revolution. Russian. 107 The concept of equality and fraternity has been taken from revolution. French. 108 Which of the following is described as the soul of the Constitution? Preamble. 109 Which one of the following is not treated as part of the Constitution? Fundamental duties. 110 Democracy of India rests on the fact that people have the right to choose and change the government. 111 The word democracy is derived from the Greek words demos and kratos. 112 India opted for a federal form of government because of linguistic and regional diversity. 113 What is the chief ultimate source of political power authority in India? People. 114 A flexible constitution can be amended easily. 115 The judiciary acts as an guardian of the constitution in a federal government. 116 India is a secular state because it is described so in the preamble of the Constitution. 117 Our Constitution has laid emphasis on securing social, economic and political justice to all the citizens of the country. These objectives are aimed at securing a welfare state. 118 Modern states are generally considered as welfare states. 119 A state which does not promote or interfere in the affairs of religion is referred to as secular. 120 The Constitution is a dynamic law. 121 The Constitution of India provides single citizenship. 122 The Constitution provides powers, responsibilities, limitations. 123 The fundamental organs of the state are established by Constitution. 124 Detailed provisions regarding acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship are contained in Act passed by the Parliament in 1955. 125 Which of the following is not a condition for becoming an Indian citizen? Citizenship by acquiring property. 126 A person can lose citizenship through deprivation, termination and renunciation. 127 The aims and objectives of the Constitution have been enshrined in the preamble. 128 The office of the Governor-General of India was for the first time created under Regulating Act, 1773. 129 According to the Act of 1858, the territory was divided into provinces. 130 When did the British Crown assume sovereignty over India from East India Company? 1858. 131 Maori Minto reforms were implemented by the Indian Councils Act 1909. 132 Which of the following is also known as the Act of 1919? Montagu-Chelmsford Reform Act. 133 Under which of the following act was provincial autonomy introduced in India? Government of India Act, 1935. 134 Who made the Constitution of India? The Constituent Assembly. 135 A Constituent Assembly is convened to frame the Constitution of the country. 136 The Constituent Assembly was set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. 137 Which party was not associated with the Constituent Assembly of India? The Communist Party. 138 The Republic of India established by the Constitution is sovereign, socialist, secular. 139. The mind and ideals of the framers of the Constitution are reflected in the preamble. 140. In our Constitution, what justice is not given to the citizens? Technical. 141. The present 5-year plan to 142. Amend means remove the difficulties. 143. Enact means pass a law. 144. Who advocated Grama Swaraj for the growth of the villages? Gandhiji. 145. Purna Swarajya was declared as the goal of the Congress on December 1929 in The Lahore Session. 146. Our Constitution prohibits untouchability. 147. The Constitution declared India as a republic on the 26th of January 1950. 148. Who has given the following statement? Democracy means a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Abraham Lincoln. 149. Which one of the following features was borrowed by the framers of the Constitution from the U.S. Constitution? Removal of judges of the Supreme Court, judicial review, fundamental rights. 150. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution were adopted under inspiration from the French Revolution. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content.